It's time to start now the real solar panel fixing in the real place. So now I'm going to load everything inside the car. So need to drive 1 hour 15 minutes to reach the place. Then today first day I plan to do the cable and electrical everything, smart meter mounting. Next day tomorrow maybe I'm going to fix the solar panel. So for that, so now I'm going to leave the home. I hope I have taken everything, so I'm going to leave the house now. We can meet back again in project site. I have driven around 1 hour 10 minutes, so I have to go 5 more minutes. Okay, I have reached, so I'm going to unload all material. So here came power supply from the electricity board, then follow to the fuse, then after this fuse going to this meter box, from the meter box going to the fuse L1, L2, L3. So now we are going to place 3 fuses here, 16 amps. From this L1, L2, L3 we are taking the supply to this fuse. From the fuse to we are going to give the smart meter. Let me start. Any electrical work, don't forget to switch off before you start work. So once we switch off the main fuse, after that also once again we have to confirm in all fuses have any electricity or not. So I have double checked and find no electricity. As I said earlier, I have successfully completed smart meter installation with 3 fuses, 16 amps, L1, L2, L3 connected to the smart meter. So now it's time to set up smart meter app in smartphone. It's also successfully done. So finally, I have now successfully connected the solar panel smart meter. It's working very well. So can you see here? So now taking from electricity very less is only one. The home load 244. So I'm going to switch on the light. You'll see it's going to increase home load. Okay, switch is on. And you see the home load, it's increasing 275 to 318. So that means it's working very well. Going to off the switch, 317 going to be less. Okay, it's 240. Okay, perfectly it's working. Today is day 2. So today we are going to fix solar panel. So my friend, because it's very heavy and huge, because of that I asked my friend to help me. He have came, he's downstairs now. So I go there, make sure I have to take everything with me. So I go down now. We are going to load solar panel in the car. So successfully little bit rain is stopped. They give us little break. Successfully I have completed the solar panel. Can you see there? Everything's finished now. It's working perfectly now. Solar panel is there. Going back home.